I'm going to show you how to add border to text box in Canva. So it's really easy. So let's get right into it. Make sure that you're in canva.com in any of your browser, and once you're there, just open your project. And once you're in your project, just find text first and add a text like this. Since I've already added it, I won't be showing you, but it's really easy. So just go ahead and tap them. They would automatically appear in your board. So now in order to add border, just go ahead and find elements right over here. So it's right above it. Once you tap here, scroll down till you find borders. So you can find borders in graphics right over here. So this is a good border that you can use like this. But if you want a grid or a table like border, then you can also choose this. And now you can add text in these little boxes. So that's how you add borders to text box.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.